How do you figure out which topic to talk about with your client within the context of a motivational interviewing session? That's the topic of today's MI Tip of the Day, the focusing process. My name's Dawn Clifford, and I'm a motivational interviewing trainer, nutrition and public health professor, one of the authors of this book, Motivational Interviewing in Nutrition and Fitness. And today we're talking about the focusing process. Here are a few tips. First of all, the focusing process typically comes after the engaging process. So you've developed a relationship, you've really gotten to know the client, you found out why they're there, what they're hoping to get out of your time together, and sometimes through that conversation, a specific behavior change sort of organically arises. That's fantastic, and maybe the focusing process is very short in some sessions. Other times, it's a more long, drawn-out process to help the client figure out what topic they're interested in taking a look at first. When the topic isn't so clear-cut, it's a good idea simply to ask the client, what ideas do you have? Have you thought about this? What sort of behavior changes are on your mind today that you're interested in discussing with me? If they don't have any ideas, then you can certainly provide them. Simply ask permission to share some topic ideas that you typically talk about with clients. And sometimes you could use a circle chart that looks like this. That's simply a piece of paper with a list of topics on there. Sometimes their memory is triggered as soon as they just see some different topic ideas. And often one of those topics jumps out at them as an obvious place to start. Sometimes the focus just really isn't obvious. Sometimes the client says, I'm really interested in changing this behavior over here, while at the same time you maybe have some lab values or results of a screening that have you a little bit concerned as their healthcare professional. And so now comes the conversation using more of a guiding style. I hear you saying that you're excited to change this behavior, and I'd be thrilled to talk with you today about that. And I'm also seeing results of this screener that you took, or these lab results that you took, and I have another behavior change that I'd be happy to share with you that might be of interest as well. And perhaps after a few sessions, we can uncover both of these topics together. So that's using a guiding process to invite the client to focus on a specific behavior change, considering both their wants and desires, and also considering the lab results or the screener information you have in front of you. Today we're talking about focusing, and that is your motivational interviewing tip of the day. I'm Dawn Clifford. Thanks for watching.